This conference will now be recorded.
Morning. So today I'm recording my 10th session of Quick Knowledge Upgrade series, which is based on Oracle 19C. So my focus is that you can learn Oracle 19C in minutes. Okay, so I'm focusing important points or concept and doing the practicals and showing what actually it is. So you will get familiar with these types of components of Oracle 19C. So today I will discuss about the inventory. So as we know that inventory is very important part of Oracle Universal Installer. So this is the place where Oracle Universal Installer keeps all information regarding the product installed on a specific machine. So this Uh, this inventory is two types. One is central inventory, or you can say global inventory, and it is mentioned as Aura inventory, and local inventory, which is basically pointing to Oracle home inventory. So, what is central inventory? As I said, central inventory contains the information related to all product installed on a host, and each in center inventory consists of a file called inventory.xml, which lists all the Oracle home installed on the node. Okay, for each Oracle home, it also lists the Oracle home name, home index, and nodes on which the home is installed. If you have rack, then is it also mention if the home is an Oracle clusterware home or a removed home. So let me check where my central inventory is there. So there is the command where you will get these information. So see that first you are finding etc aura ins dot log. Then you also finding U01 or app aura inventory aura ins dot log. Then you are finding U01 app product db aura ins dot log. So this is the local one, and this is the place of central one. So if I say cat uh, etc aura ins dot log, so this is the output. If I say cat this one which reside here, so see that U01 app. If I say cat this one, so see that all the things are same. Okay. Now if I say uh, yeah, cd U01 app aura inventory ll, then cd content.xml ll. So see that inventory.xml. If I say cat inventory.xml, so this is the file which actually central inventory. Okay, clear? So that is central inventory. Now uh, uh, local inventory. So local inventory basically Oracle home inventory, and it is present inside each Oracle home, and it only contains information related to a particular Oracle home. Okay, so we have for that what I will do, I will clear this thing. This is here actually, and then clear, then su hyphen oracle. So here and cd, oh, cd oracle home. Okay, so we reach here, and if I say ll, So already I show you that Aura ins.log. So this is the local inventory. Okay, and if I go here, CD inventory, we reach here, and if I say LL, so there is a CD content.xml. If I say LL, so here you can see that, and CD config XML. So these are the XML file actually. Okay, so come out from this LL, and also components .xml, config.xml, libs.xml, and Oracle home property.xml, OUI patch.xml. So these are the files actually. And now let me come out. We are here, right? So cd dot dot cd dot dot and uh, cd opatch. Okay, I just want to show you. So this is done. Now I will run the command of opatch ls inventory. So check the output. So see that it's a Oracle home and then central inventory from. So there is a central inventory and then it is pointing to local inventory. Okay. So these are the inventory output file location and local machine AIU and all. So this is related to the patch actually. So that is not the concern right now. So this is my Oracle inventory or local inventory, or you can say central inventory or local inventory concept. I hope this is valuable for you guys. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my series, and those who are not doing the likes and comment and subscribing and sharing. So please do those things so that it will motivate me. And also, I will start another series tomorrow. That is Oracle Rack component. So I'm planning to start every component of Oracle database, focusing minor things we generally DBA ignore that actually. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, I hope you guys are liking this. So that's it. Thank you very much and keep learning and do subscribe so that you can check our premium content and you will get the notification whenever I'm uploading a new video.